Hey guys, it's Metal Snow 007, and this is my third Christmas toy review haul videos, and today I'm reviewing 86 LJH Special and Chug. Chug and LJ86 Special are both 1/55 scale die-cast items made from Mattel. They have no stickers, and 86 LJH Special has a propeller made of plastic and landing gear, while Chug, on the other hand, has this whole metal pole thingy is plastic. The wooden sides are plastic. Back here, this is plastic, and then the top things are plastic. 86 LJH Special. Chug. Another thing I would like to mention about Chug is that he and Mater compare. And Chug is a car in the movie Planes, which is pretty cool. But he and Mater compare. And there is a huge size difference between Mater and Chug. So Chug is a larger car. Another thing is that 86 LJH Special compares to Ned, because they are basically the same plane. 86 LJH Special, I think, is just a repaint of Ned and Zed. Thanks guys for watching this video, and I will have more Christmas haul videos of the toy reviews. I will have them up soon, so keep checking, like, comment, and subscribe to Metal Snow 007. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.